Hi guys, in this video, we will be sharing with you how to secure your WordPress site. If you have other recommendations, please let us know in the comments below. Number 8 is use a secure WordPress theme. Choose a WordPress theme that complies with WordPress standards, in order to avoid any vulnerabilities that may arise from the theme itself. Look for a new theme in the official WordPress theme directory, WordPress.org/themes. Everything in this collection is safe to use on WordPress. All secure WordPress themes have no known security problems, are routinely updated, and adhere to proper coding standards. They are compatible with your WordPress version and other aspects of your site, such as its plugins. Number 7 is limit login attempts. A user can log in as many times as they want with WordPress. This can be helpful if you frequently forget which characters need to be capitalized. However, it also exposes you to brute force attacks. Users are temporarily prohibited from logging in after a particular number of failed login attempts. As a result of being locked out of the system, the hacker is unable to execute their attack. WordPress Login Limit Attempts plugin is all that is needed to implement this. Following plugin installation, go to Settings, then Login Limit Attempts, and adjust the maximum number of login attempts you want to allow. Number 6 is limit WordPress user permissions. In the event that your WordPress website has a large number of user accounts, we propose restricting each user's access to only what they need by changing their roles. In WordPress, each user can select from 6 different roles. Reduce the likelihood of an attacker brute forcing their way into an administrator account by limiting access to administrator privileges. If an attacker accurately guesses a user's credentials, you can also minimize the damage that can be done. Number 5 is update your version of WordPress. For the sake of your website's safety, you should always have WordPress updated. Developers make a few tweaks with each new release, and security patches are applied on a regular basis. You can avoid becoming a victim of previously discovered vulnerabilities and exploits by making sure your WordPress is up to date. Plugins and themes should also be kept up to date for the same reasons. Minor updates to WordPress are downloaded automatically by default. The major updates must be made from the WordPress administrative dashboard. Number 4 is install SSL certificate. Encryption of data between your website and the user's browser is done via SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. This encryption makes it more difficult for someone to snoop around and steal data. In the browser address bar, you'll see a padlock icon next to your website's URL if you enable SSL. The annual cost of an SSL certificate can range from $80 to hundreds of dollars, depending on the certificate authority. Due to the higher cost, most website owners continue to use the insecure protocol. Let's Encrypt, a non-profit organization, has decided to offer free SSL certificates to website owners as a solution to this problem. There is a lot of support for their effort from Google Chrome, Facebook, Mozilla, and other companies. Number 3 is install a security plugin. Checking your website's security for malware on a daily basis is time-intensive, and if you don't keep up with the latest coding practices, you may not even be aware that you're looking at malware. There are a number of WordPress security plugins available for those who aren't tech-savvy. A security plugin looks after your site's safety, scans it for malware, and keeps tabs on its status around the clock, 7 days a week. Number 2 is use a strong password. The most common way used by hackers to gain access to WordPress accounts is through the use of stolen passwords. Use passwords that are unique to your site and strong to make it more difficult for hackers. Everything you need to run your website, including the WordPress admin area, database, and WordPress hosting account, is included. Because they're so hard to remember, strong passwords turn off a lot of new users. A password manager like LastPass can be used. In other words, forgetting passwords is no longer necessary. Number 1 is choose a secure WordPress hosting. Hosting services with many levels of protection are the easiest way to keep your website safe from hackers. Saving money on website hosting helps you to devote funds elsewhere in your company, so it may be tempting to choose a low-cost solution. Avoid the temptation to take this course. Nevertheless, if at all possible, it is a common cause of future nightmares. A complete wipe of your data is possible, and your URL could point to a different location. Extra security levels are quickly implemented to your website when you pay a little extra for a competent hosting company. It is also possible to significantly improve the speed of your WordPress site if you choose a dependable hosting service. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us to like and share. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, Remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly hit on the bell icon, so that you will be able to receive notification when we launch a new video. See you in the next video.